Hi guys, so actually this is my second time recording it because I just went through all of these math boxes and I realized that I was never recording. So this is take 2. Okay, so let's go to number 1, zoom in here. It says Tori has 3 packages of cookies and each package weighs 5/8 pound. How many pounds do all the cookies weigh? So they're asking you to do 4 different problems. They're asking you to solve, give it in words, an addition equation, and a multiplication equation. I always like to start with the addition equation, but it's up to you, whichever one you feel most comfortable with. So she has 3 packages, and each of those packages weighs 5/6 of a pound. So I'm going to do 5/6 plus 5/6 plus 5/6, which would give me 15/6. And I know if I converted that into a mixed number, I would get 2 and 3/6, which also is equal to 2 and 1/2. So I know now my answer is 2.5 pounds because there's 3 groups of 5/6. 3 times 5/6 equals 15/6, which is also equal to 2 and 1/2. Okay, let's look at number 2. Angle TAP is a blank angle. Is it acute or obtuse? I know that if I drew a line here to make it 90 degrees, it is larger than that. So we know that obtuse angles are more than 90 degrees, so this angle is obtuse. Now, I know that 90% of you don't have a protractor at home, so I'm going to give you the measure, and if you do have a protractor, you can make sure your answer is correct. This angle measures 135 degrees. Okay, let's look at number 3. Daniel drew a line segment that was 5/8 of an inch long. Then he measured it 3/8 inch longer. How long is the line segment now? Circle all the answers, all the correct answers. So that means there could be more than one correct answer. So if he drew a line segment that was 5/8 inch long, and then he made it 3/8 of an inch longer, you have to now add them together. So the denominators are the same, and 5 plus 3 is 8. So your answer is 8/8 of an inch. Now, we are all fraction masters. We know that 8/8 is equivalent to 1 whole, and in this case, 1 whole inch. So I know that C is also the correct answer. It wouldn't be B because 8/8 is also 1/2. And we know it wouldn't be D because the denominator is 0. So it doesn't have the same denominator. Okay, let's go to number 4. Fill in the blank. So here we're going to do some converting. If you don't remember how many ounces are in pounds or how many tons are in pounds, how many meters, any of those conversions you can find by looking at your student reference book. If you forget, sometimes even Miss Mold still has to, I still have to look myself, so it's okay. So for pounds, A, blank pounds equals 64 ounces. Well, I know that 1 pound is equivalent to 16 ounces. So 16 times unknown value would give me 64. And I know that 16 times 4 would give me 64. So it's 4 pounds. Okay, 1/4 pound equals blank ounces. Well, I know again, if I had 1 pound that equals 16 ounces, then I knew 1/2 pound would equal half of 16, which is 8. And 1/4 of a pound. What times 4 would give us 16? It's 4. So 1/4 of a pound is 4 ounces. Okay, 5 tons equals blank pounds. So I know that there in 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. So 5 tons times 2,000 would give me 10,000. Okay, 6 meters equals blank centimeters. I know that for 1 meter, it's 100 centimeters. So 6 times 100 would give us 600 centimeters. Now you're going from meters to millimeters. 1 meter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. So if I have 8,000 millimeters, that must mean that I have 8 meters. Okay, I'm going to leave you guys with problem 5 to explain your reasoning, because everyone is going to explain it a different way, and the way that I might explain it is going to be different than you. So if you have any questions regarding this math lesson, don't hesitate to reach out to your teacher during their office hours, which are 11:15 till 12.